Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how we can add the SAP tcodes in the favorite menu. First log in with your SAP user account, right click on the favorites, choose insert transaction, enter the tcode which you want to add in the favorites menu. I am giving tcode as 38. You can see the tcode is added. Again right click on it, insert transaction. Enter the tcodes one by one which you want to add. In this manner we can add the SAP tcodes in the favorite menu. We can just double click on it to execute the SAP tcode in this manner. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES ECC6 and SAP S/4HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will have master data, lifetime validity year 9999, ABAP developer key for ABAP programming and FIORI in it. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.